Third Sunday of Advent. Like John, instead of being dismayed by the situation in which we find ourselves, we could ponder on the meaning of our Lord Jesus Christ and the good news that He brings. Let us spend time questioning, listening, seeing, and remembering that Jesus, born in a manger, hanged on a cross, and risen from the dead, is alive. And with our Father in heaven. God continues to rule our lives with mercy and justice, acting in His time according to His plan of salvation, despite appearances to the contrary, despite the horrors of our times. Let us act with faith, endure with hope, doing all with love. See how the farmer waits for the precious fruit of the earth, being patient with it until it receives the early and late rains. You too must be patient. Please like and subscribe.